Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to request a refund from Taobao if you have changed your mind or didn't receive your item. So here guys, you need to start by opening your Taobao account, and then you can go to your Me tabs and head over to your My Orders, and there guys, you can select the order you want to refund there. So you just need to tap the Apply for Refund button. Then you can select your reason. For example, item not received, or you just change your mind here. So you can add details like the refund amount and a short explanation, guys. You can also upload proof like screenshots or photos if needed. And you'll be able to see here the refund in progress. The seller has a few days to approve or reject the refund, guys. If they don't respond, guys, the Taobao may step in to help. And next, if approved, guys, the money will be returned to your original payment method like Alipay or your card. And that's how you can get a refund from Taobao. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Taobao tutorials. Bye!